Hi guys, this is Kirprit
And this is Vishal.
and this is Suitcase Insiders with SSBeauty. So we are heading for a quick weekend getaway to Jaipur and thought why not to take you guys along and show you what's inside a travel creator's suitcase. So are you ready for adventure? Let's go.
I think we have everything. Car documents, deo perfume, snacks.
And the girl who falls asleep in the car.
Yes. Road trip and good sync. Both essential.
Babe, weren't we supposed to go out with family?
Fun fact, this was supposed to be a family trip, but we decided to throw everyone out.
And steal some us time, and I am just excited to unwind and show you the property because it's beautiful. I can't wait to show you. Let's go. Guys, it's been a while that we have been on road. We have covered around 250 kilometers already. I'm a little bored, so I thought why not do what's in my car, travel bag. These are the things that we might need while we are on the go. Let me give you what's in my bag. So we have wet wipes. We have my glasses. Then when I am a travel creator, I always need power banks. So I have a power bank, lip balms, lipstick. At the end, we have my P-Safe buddy because you never know. Now let's ask the boy what's in his bag. Babe, what's in your bag?
For me, my shades, car documents and snacks. That's the really though.
Yeah, snacks. That's why I'm happy because I'm well fed. Also guys, I love this lipstick. It's called as Temptation Twist by Geology. It's super hydrating and has this beautiful tint, especially for traveling.
We finally reached our property, super cozy vibes. I always like to unpack as soon as we arrive. We travel so often, so having this routine helps me feel very familiar and less chaotic. Let's unpack my must-haves first so the suitcase doesn't explode later.
Now that we are unpacking, I thought I'll show you guys what's inside my skincare and makeup bag because I travel so much and it gets so bad for my skin. So I need to use the right products, and this is what I've curated over the years. So I start every morning with a clean base, and this is
The Cosrx cleanser.
super gentle and travel friendly. Next one is the Beauty of Joseon, and I love this one for hydration because my skin gets super dry while traveling, and this one keeps it hydrated. I love this one. I always carry it. This is L'Oreal Paris Serum. It adds the perfect glow. This is Conscious Chemist and I absolutely love it. It is super comfortable. It's not too heavy, extremely light on the skin and keeps my skin super moisturized. Now comes the fun part, makeup. I start with my K-Beauty Illuminating drops. It's perfect for the glowy base and also the makeup layers beautifully over it. Love It Sectra Mascara is my go-to. It keeps my lash natural, non-clumpy. I love the name but I love the mascara more. I have finished almost 2 bottles of these Too Faced foundation in a shade Vanilla. This one is a mini MAC Fix, tiny but mighty. Love this for travel. I even use it when I just need a quick refresh from day to night. And of course, my perfume. It's usually Her by Burberry or Dolce depending on my mood. Now it's your time to show your side of the kit. And also guys, he's very proud of it because he finally has a routine.
My setup is very simple. So she got me this Clinique skincare kit, which is all in one. I don't have to think twice. It keeps my skin fresh and hydrated. What else does a guy need? This is our recent find, Shiseido eye cream. I also have this Yves Rocher's leave-in conditioner and Kama Ayurveda hair cleanser. This combo keeps my hair frizz-free, and also you guys know I'm in Jaipur right now. The heat is so bad here, so I carry this everywhere. Also, I'm not a big fan of hotel conditioners and shampoos.
So it's the pool time, and the one thing that I've realized in the last few years of traveling is to never ever skip sunscreen, and I've been using the Aqualogica Radiance Dewy Sunscreen. And I just realized Vishal is also now a skincare junkie. Not a skincare junkie, but at least I've gotten you to do skincare.
Yeah, it took you how many? 2 years?
Took me 2 years to get him do a little bit of skincare, but yeah, I got you. Now we're gonna do a quick get ready with me. Let's go ahead and do it. I am almost ready, but my hair's left and he has given me just
5 minutes.
Just 5 minutes to do my hair, and I have my Dyson for that, so let's do it. Now it's time for you guys to see Jaipur. Let's go. And that was our suitcase for weekend getaway. Simple, quick, and very Stampsandsocks.
Thank you for coming with us.
And hopefully you got a lot of product recommendation. By the way, you can shop all these from SSBeauty. So make sure you subscribe SSBeauty for more such videos and come along on more such trips. See you.